We recently purchased this fantastic condo, and what's so great about it is it's a very unusual shape. The entire building is an oval. Part of that being unusual creates lots and lots of challenges. For instance, this particular office doesn't have any right angles in it. And when I walked in here and tried to figure out how I could outfit it when it was completely bare, I was completely stifled and had no idea what to do. And Desiree, my designer, came up with this fantastic design which not only houses a space for my at-home office, but it also has a place for all of the knickknacks that came out of my larger home when we moved here. And I really wanted to preserve that and have it around me. We have a built-in Murphy bed. So when somebody comes to visit, if we do want them to stay here, we can actually utilize the Murphy bed without having to compromise the space that's here, which is relatively small, despite the fact that I have everything I love around me. Desiree made this entire experience really fun. More so, she delivered on the product.